right, here we go. That's an old one. That's what some of it looks like. I've taken a bunch of stuff out. When you pull this off the head, this piece comes out the bottom, or it stays in the head. But that allows you to take this little ring right here off. You just pry that out, it snaps off the top. And then this comes off, and a little pin comes out there. That ring's holding a little pin in. A little pin comes out, this thing comes off. You turn it around this side, and I'm going to show you the other one now. There's a screw right in here, a screw right in here, here, here. Take off your ignition control module, take off the vacuum advance unit. That goes over this little peg in there, if you can even see that. There's a circlip on there. You take it off, a couple screws, pulls that out. Then this hole, after you take those out and your ignition module out, this is stuck down in there. You pop it out like so. Then you can flip this dude over, give that a whack with a dead blow hammer, and the whole works will come out. Once that happens, you're left with something that looks like this. Along with a little bit more tomfoolery down here, shaft-wise. But the point is, this outside ring is supposed to turn like that. Do you see how that turns so nice? That's how it's held in. It's held by this ring with a couple of hold downs. And then this is what adjusts your advance. On both of these distributors, this bearing was seized. Now, I've just stuck it in the vise. I put a couple of notches in it, here and here. That shouldn't affect it being reinstalled, but that helped me take a screwdriver, put it in the vise, hold it by this little vacuum advance dongle, and I could take a screwdriver and smack it right there. Just stick it in there and kind of hit it with a dead blow or even a live blow, or whatever a regular hammer is called, and start to get it to go. Load it up with WD-40, and then once you get done with that, you'll start to get it to move, and man, now that's gonna function. And then you just put it all back together. And Bob is your mother's brother. So that is a short video, but I think if you guys have the a vise at home or something to hold it down while you're freeing up this bearing, a screwdriver, be careful when you take the screws out. They want to round off, so be real careful, just like everything else. You just got to be real careful. And use a nice new screwdriver, or at least one that's in great shape. And you can take that apart and get your life back. That's going to get top end power for sure. I did this so that I could adjust the timing, so that I could retard the timing for the turbo. So it already goes this way. Now I'm going to go this way so that it retards the timing. And man, I don't think it's going to be tough. So there you go. Tell me if it works for you.